morning walk to the park. We're all pretty tired. We had to be in bed sincerely late after the party last night, but we only have 3 hours in the park today before we have to get our flight home, so it's gonna be a quick one. Gonna make the most of our time while we can. Got a list of priorities that we want to do this morning, and we'll see how far we get on it. Yes! Last time. Great. Just makes me so happy to walk on to Main Street. Like, so happy. Oh, look at Donald in his costume. Oh, I love it. Line up for the Mickey Pumpkin. Okay, insider tip, there's a lineup on both sides. So if you don't really care, usually the lineup facing the train station, this side, is a lot shorter. Main Street, yes. Oh, hello castle. Oh, we didn't ride up Main Street this time. I love taking the vehicles. Jenga. This trip was way too short. Yay, Fantasyland! Well, everyone else is riding Space Mountain. I am just so Camp a Morning in Fantasyland. It really feels like a day at Disneyland when you start the day in Fantasyland. Scary adventures. Disneyland ducks! Hello ducks! Hello! Famous Disneyland ducks. Just have a little rest. Hello teacups. And I love the Matterhorn. Love, love, love. Monorail! Hello, monorail! Headed towards Tomorrowland to meet everyone who is riding Space. But I managed to sneak in a quick ride on the Matterhorn, single rider. I just walked straight on. It was fantastic. I know everyone, it's a jouncy ride that is not a smooth ride, but I still love it. The difference in crowd levels between today, I mean it's early, it's only 9 o'clock, but the difference in crowd levels between today and Saturday is crazy. Like absolutely crazy. Come on a weekday. I mean, I know school's in session, but if humanly possible, come on a weekday. I love this Tomorrowland look. There's Kim. Buzz Lightyear. Oh, the Queen! Your Majesty! You're fabulous today!
Was it the apple that was? Maybe. Or maybe the apples. Did you see the ducks over there? I'm trying to choose which one I want for a nice stew.
Next up, Frontierland. We need to check out some pins. Hidden Mickey. Ooh, all the spooky pins. Take my money. I like the patches. I really want an excuse to buy this big castle patch and I have no idea where to put it, but I love it. Oh, and a Small World. Oh, it's a Fantasyland pack. Oh, I love that one too. But I need to get the Haunted Mansion. Like, that needs to happen. Alright, just bought a few more pins. I will do a little video, I think, of of my pins one of these days. I'm not a pin trader, I'm a pin collector, and I don't mean like hardcore collector, I just mean that I see a pin I like, and I buy it, and I keep it. And we are headed towards New Orleans Square, because I really want a beignet. Beignet, beignet, beignet. We're headed that way. See, and there you go, wait time. Pirates, 5 minutes. I love New Orleans Square. Next time we go back, it'll be all set up with the Christmas decorations. That'll be beautiful. There's a meeting right now. Oh, Jack and Sally are meeting. That's why there's a line. Oh, Haunted Mansion dress, you are so beautiful.
I know.
Beignets! Okay, I had to get the regular because I love them, and the pumpkin spice because I'm everything pumpkin spice right now, and they're delicious too. It's so hot. And now the long walk into Batu. This trip was just too short. Like, if we had a full day today, it would be amazing. We would get so much done today.
I know, right?
Get you a Sprite. Going single rider. Standby is 45 minutes. So let's see what we do on single rider. Back here, it's probably about 20 minutes. Almost there. Almost there.
Two solo applicants, please.
Yay!
Alright, you guys are going to be selected with yellow credentials.
Engineers! Yellow team.
Okay? And my engineers, most important responsibility, if our gunners don't defend us in time or our pilots crash, you'll be fixing shit.
Thank you.
Get out of here and go make Hondo some money! You better be faster when we get to Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote.
Farewell, Batu. We shall see you again. Till the spires. Yeah, we gotta go. Time is credits. Okay, I'm hustling over to Tomorrowland because the AP spot opens at 11. I'm technically supposed to be leaving the park at 11. I really want to get my AP magnet and totally missed it the other 2 days. So my fault on that one, but I need to hustle it now because it doesn't open till 11. So I've got a couple minutes to pop over there, and then I'm gonna meet everyone else in the hub to get some popcorn on our way out. Last thing. I have to walk right down the main street on the way out. Look at that pumpkin. Oh, this is the hardest part. I just don't want to leave. Even though I know I'm already coming back in November, I just don't want to leave. Thank you, Walt. It's been magical. Oh, and Cruella de Vil. I'm rushing back to the hotel. Luckily it's close. I'm starting to feel like Michael K. running for the Magical Express. Gotta leave for the airport, spend a little too much time in the park, because I just wanted to suck the last couple moments out, and I really wanted that AP stuff. But, whew, a little stressed now. A little stressed. I'll feel better once we've checked out and got the Uber. Hold on. Hey, I don't know what's with all the random vintage Disney toys, but cool addition to Vancouver International Airport. Okay, I gotta go see them. Huh. Wow, some really old ones. Huh, there's somebody's collection. Alright, have an hour to wait before my flight, and I'm so tired. Just really want a cup of tea. It's a hard adjustment to go from LA to this. That's a lot of cold rain. Changed my mind. I'm gonna try that cardamom latte. See what that's like. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more Disney videos.